was our first and probably only test and tune that we're going to be able to get for this car. Kind of talked about it last video, but let's go over some of the pluses and some of the minuses of the test and tune. So, plus number 1, air compressor worked great. Plus number 2 is it didn't blow up. Well, it kind of did, but not really. The motor was good, transmission was good, suspension was good. Even though we have the Jeep Grand Cherokee coils in this, it still felt very, very low. Still felt like it was like extremely low to the ground, but it felt planted. We didn't pop any tires. We didn't break any brake lines. We did do this though, which sucks a lot. So the alternator chewed into this belt and kind of went halfway through it. And I don't like that. I don't know if I'm going to change the whole belt. I should change the whole belt, believe it or not. But we did blow it apart as well. I don't think this is heater hose. I don't know what this is, but this is what actually ended the tuning for us, was this hose blown apart. It's crazy. I can feel all of the barb fittings in there. But overall, everything went good. Some things that we have to look at is the heater hoses. That is step 1. Step 2, I would like to do a full fluid check. Transmission, engine. The gas tank was leaking a little, so we're going to have to fix that. Air compressor, no complaints. What else? There was a couple other issues. I might have to rewatch the videos and go through. Oh, the knob for my steering was loose, so it kept moving. Maybe in some big hits that would cause some issues. So we're going to have to take a look at that. The domino sign did not move, so pretty happy about that. But like I said, we're going to have to go through and do a full fluid check. So power steering looks good. I don't really know how to check the transmission, so I imagine it's pretty good. I don't like how these new cars don't have dipsticks to check any of this stuff. Engine oil, let's check that. We did rev this thing extremely high. It's got engine oil. It's right on the max, so I should actually put a little bit more into it. But the air system for the individuals did not work. So we're gonna, I kind of wired it quickly just to be both of them at once. And that seemed to work a lot better. So I think we're gonna stick with that. But the main thing, I think, is the cooling system, the handle, and that's about it. Honestly, the test and tune went really good. It really did feel like it had a lot of power. It felt extremely planted to the ground. I think tires are going to be our big thing. So I'd really like to get these tires made. Hopefully I can. I don't think I'm able to do them. I'm going to drop them off to a guy to get them done. But, no. I'm overall very happy with how things went. So, let's go order some heater hose, and we will try to do this again. I did notice that this hose got very, very, what's the word I'm looking for? Malleable. It was very easy to move it and flex it. I don't think it's designed for heat. It said heater hose on the internet, but I don't like it. I really don't. But yeah, overall, the first test run went very well on this. So let's go order some hose and we'll finish up this video at a later date. We got the rad hose looped. What we did was we ended up buying much higher pressure clamps, and then we turned that hose around because we cut out the bad section where it hit the alternator. We've kind of zip tied it up away from the alternator, so hopefully that fixes that. So I'm just gonna check the oil one more time. Okay, it's a little over full of oil, but that's what I want. I want it over full. So what we're gonna do, can you not put all the bolts back in? Steven didn't put all the bolts back in for the header. That's okay. Oh, there's a wrench. Oh, I think I'm gonna cut these hood stops off. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna drive it up to the house and we're gonna fill it full of water. Much nicer. Okay. We got all of our hood pins. I think we are ready to go. So, with the successful tune of this test drive of this thing the other day, I think it's time we get it painted. So, I hired a guy to come to this house and paint it, but I'm not exactly sure what I want yet. I know this is stupid, and I know he's going to be here in about probably less than an hour. With the Domino's thing, I kind of want a pizza. I don't know. I'm gonna talk to him. Being Canadian, I like to put mooses on things, or beavers, or pizza, because I love pizza. But we'll have to decide what we're gonna do to this thing when we paint it. But let's get it up to the house, and we'll get the radiator bled, and we'll get this thing.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate me, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you want to taste me, you can try me. If you want to hate bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this ago. And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my
Yesterday,
life.
Matt painted my Cavalier, and I had to leave for work before it was done, so I didn't get a chance to take a look at it, but let's go take a look at it here. Okay. Oh my God, this is cool. Let's take a look at this. Look at this thing. I thought I told him that I wanted a bunch of pizzas and stuff, and then like last minute I second guessed, and he said he didn't have a whole lot of colors that weren't pizza colored, but I really like this. I'm gonna be trying a new number this year, 26, 25. We're gonna try it out, see how she feels. The 171, I've been running that for a long, long time, so I'm gonna try this one. It kind of popped into my head the other day, so we're gonna see how well this does. But honestly, guys, this car is just about done. I think we're gonna try to put some more water inside the radiator. Other than that, I think we are ready for the races. So Mount Forest is actually tomorrow night, and that will be my first actual race on this thing. I am super excited for this. Oh, he's got all the way down this side too. I love this paint job. So honestly, guys, I think we're about as ready as we can get. We got just trying to top off this radiator right here, and there's still water up here. Just waiting for that to go down. I think we just have to get down our racing gear, which is up there. We got our fire extinguisher, we got our air cylinders, our gas tank, our battery. We got everything we need in this car ready to race. We even tightened down the speed wheel, and we took the airbag out. Didn't really have to, it was fully disconnected. But guys, I think we are ready for our first race of the Figure 8 2025 season. So what do you guys think? Do you think I'm going to do good? Do you think I'm going to like it? Do you think I'm going to get my ass kicked? What do you guys think is going to happen? So the first track is Mount Forest. We're going to bring these 23s, but we're also going to pack our bias plies, and we're going to kind of watch to see how other drivers are doing. And if we have to change them out, we have to change them out. So wish me luck, guys. The first derby's coming up. First Figure 8 race is coming up. So what do you think I'm going to do? How do you think I'm going to place? Leave your comments down below. And by the time this video is posted, the race will be over. So hopefully you guys guess right. Take care. See you guys back here tomorrow on Zach's Workshop.